Our second problem is about the makeup water. In here, the problem is to determine the total makeup water needed for the cooling tower with these conditions. Inlet water flow of 1,100 meter cube per hour, inlet water temperature of 48.89 degrees Celsius, and outlet temperature of 35 degrees Celsius. Then, we have drift loss percentage of 0.1 and cycles of 6. Makeup water is composed of evaporation loss, drift loss, and blowdown. First, we need to compute the evaporation loss by this formula. 0.0085 times inlet water flow times the change in temperature multiplied by the quantity multiplied by 1.8. Substituting the values of inlet water flow of 1,100 and a temperature difference of 48.89 minus 35 multiplied by 1.8 is equals to 24.12 meter cube per hour of evaporation loss. Then, drift loss is a function only of inlet water flow. We have here the drift loss percentage of 0.1. We just multiply it by the inlet water flow by 0.001 or the drift loss percentage, and we get 1.135 meter cube per hour of drift loss. Then lastly, we will compute for the water blowdown. Blowdown can be computed with this formula: evaporation loss over cycles minus 1. Substituting the values, 24.12 meter cube per hour over 5, because we have here in given 6 cycles, 6 minus 1 over 5. Therefore, we have a value of 21.25 meter cube per hour. Solving for makeup water, we should get the summation of all those values of evaporation loss, drift loss, and blowdown. We should get about 137.51 meter cube per hour.